Hello, welcome viewers. I'm Tenerife Tez and I am staying at one of the budget hotels which is located in Playa, Las Americas. The name of the hotels or the apartment complex is called Algeria Barranco. I'm going to show you around the room. Now, I've stayed at these rooms many times, but to be perfectly fair, they are deteriorating rapidly. Okay, I'll try and step back a little bit. What you see as soon as you walk in the door, which is on the right hand side, I'll show you that in a while. This is what you get. This is a twin room. I actually think, well, it's a twin bedded room. I actually think this place could sleep three. I'll show you why in a little while. We've got deterioration there on the bedside cabinets. Fully functional though, so at the end of the day, I suppose this still served the purpose. Both overhead lights there. That one's not working there on the right hand side, but there you go. Is what it is. And I must admit, we have plenty of coat hangers. Your safe there, you do pay for the safe and change it to the code of your choice. Over here, it is one of those where you have to put your card in for the power. I've cheated a little bit, but there you go. So, television sockets, power sockets there. No television in this room. Plenty of power sockets located in here as well. So, not a problem if you're going to be charging some of your phones. What do you think of it so far then, folk? Clearly, power switch is located there, and another strange place for another power socket or an outlet, if you want to call it that. I don't know. Do you class that as strange? Then we go into the bathroom area, which is in the centre. Clearly, the mirror is deteriorating, but I suppose that's a water problem. You do get the working, it actually works, the hairdryer. I don't need it, but it's there. And your shaving mirror. Toilet is located in there. A little bit difficult to film that. I'm not going to put the light on because it interferes with the camera. And I will show you the shower. So that's the shower there. Rain shower at the top, corroded nicely. Don't know what this is about. Oops, there you go. That's back again. And one of those, I suppose, handheld showers. Door frames have started to disappear. A little bit of a strange layout is this, because if you're sharing it with a friend, it's not much privacy for the bathroom. What's your thoughts on that? Aircon in this room. There's actually aircon in both rooms. Place is falling apart with door handles and stuff. You have to be very careful with that, as you can make out. And then into the main room. So, looks like somebody's taken a little bit of a battery with a freezer or fridge. It is actually well appointed in here. I'll try and get a shot of the cupboards and let you know what's in there. A little bit difficult. So, there we go. Plenty of crockery and such like there. 4 plates, but only 3 glasses. Don't know about that. 4 cups. Does that look clean? Questionable. I won't be using that. And your pots and pans there. Not looked inside the pinger. Yep, pinger seems okay. A little bit of deterioration, but there you go. Don't know if these work. I'll just say yes, they do, because I don't do any cooking while I'm away. The furniture's tired at the bottoms. Once again, fully functional. Another aircon in here as well. Surprisingly enough, I had to reset this. It came on at 6 o'clock in the morning. There you go. There's your bed settee. Stained very badly. Won't be sitting on that. There you go. There's the television. Just get 1 or 2 English channels, primarily Spanish channels. Very, very surprised, because the last time I was in one of these rooms, you got Netflix and YouTube. Sorry, you got YouTube. So I'm surprised you don't still get it, and you don't. And I'll show you the view. So that's a long shot of the room. And out we go. So the pool's located over there. And this is the major, I suppose, major road down to the beach, the Playa down there. Eldorado over there, that gets you bearings, doesn't it? And the Hotel Columbus. Oh, we've got a pigeon. Everybody else seems to have sunbeds except me. So do you just pinch one from somebody else? I don't know. To be hoped they don't charge me for that. I will point out, you do have to pay a deposit at this place, and they inspect the room before they actually refund you money. But do bear in mind, if it goes on a card, it does take a few days to actually get back. But on the other hand, if you only bring in a certain amount of cash with you, I don't know what the best option is for you. Okay, so I'll leave it here, and I'll pick back up on the other side of the door. So, same as I say, that's the room 103. There are actually lifts located so you can actually get to this level. It does seem a strange set out though, like it's open in the middle. But I'll show you the pool. I don't think anybody will be around it, so take advantage. There's one lift, there's another lift against the staircase. So not a problem with mobility around here. And this is the pool. It is one of those infinity pools, and it does get busy at times. So what do you think of that then, folk? Were you expecting a pool like that or not? Maybe not. So I'll take a back walk. So we'll take another walk back in here. And I think we'll go down the stairs so it gives you an indication what else is available in here. Yeah, there's the other lift, look here. So, I must admit, they don't get overly busy, which is a good thing, really. I can imagine when it rains, all this place down here gets really wet and treacherously slippy. Now, when you go through here as well, there are actually disabled toilets. And I believe there's a shower room somewhere. Shower room, there you go. We're going to go through here to the reception. Fridges there, look ya. Late night drinks. And reception here. Okay then viewers, that's the Algeria Barranco. And your Columbus, same as I say, stadium's up there, and Eldorado. So I hope that gives you an insight into what this hotel is actually like. Do bear in mind it is a budget hotel, so you get what you pay for. And you know what? The sun is the same whether you spend a lot of money or a little of money on accommodation, because a lot of the time you're actually out and about. So at this particular stage, I'm going to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.